Hey everyone, welcome back to Top on Sale product recommendations. Today we've got something seriously exciting for all the runners, adventurers, and fitness enthusiasts out there. Introducing the new 2024 Zeblaze Stratos 3 Pro GPS Smartwatch. And the best part? It's now available for just US 39.82, down from USD 110.54. That's a massive 64% off. Click the link in the description below to grab yours before the deal ends. Are you ready to take your running and outdoor training to the next level? The Zeblaze Stratos 3 Pro is designed to help you become the athlete you aspire to be. With personalized training guidance, industry-leading GPS accuracy, and a rugged design that's built for the toughest environments. Whether you're in the desert, the rainforest, or even the glaciers, this watch is ready to battle the elements with you. This smartwatch supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS satellite systems, delivering ultra-precise tracking no matter where your adventure takes you. Thanks to circularly polarized antenna technology, your positioning is faster, stronger, and more accurate than ever before. Enjoy a 1.43-inch HD AMOLED screen with 391 ppi pixel density, crisp, colorful, and clearly visible even under bright sunlight. Perfect for those long runs or hikes. From cycling and yoga to running and swimming, the Zeblaze Stratos 3 Pro automatically detects and tracks over 100 sports modes, monitoring your heart rate, calories burned, and more. No matter how you train, it's got you covered. The advanced biometric sensor provides accurate heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring, giving you deeper insights into your overall health and recovery. Customize your style with over 100 plus unique watch faces, including always-on options that match your mood or outfit. With all these features packed inside, the Zeblaze Stratos 3 Pro still delivers an impressive battery life of up to 18 days, so you can spend more time exploring and less time charging. Stay connected wherever you go. Answer or reject calls, receive notifications, control music, camera, and even check the weather right from your wrist. Sync with the Zeblaze Fit App for in-depth fitness tracking, system updates, and personalized insights. Works perfectly with both Android and iOS devices. So if you're looking for a powerful, durable, and stylish smartwatch that keeps up with your lifestyle, the Zeblaze Stratos 3 Pro is definitely worth checking out. Remember, it's now just USD 39.82, originally USD 110.54. That's 64% off. Click the link in the description below to buy yours today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews and deals every week.